Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Pages Nursing.
In today's video, we will be discussing about urine output calculations, ml per kg per hour. Did you know that urine output can tell you if a patient is going into shock before their blood pressure even drops? Yes, something as simple as urine can save a life. In today's video, we will show how to calculate urine output in ml per kg per hour, how to interpret it, and how to identify oliguria and polyuria easily. Before entering into the session, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Let's get started. What is urine output? Urine output is simply the amount of urine a patient passes over time. But in nursing practice, we don't just write 400 ml. We calculate it commonly as ml per kg per hour. Why is it so? Because a 50 kg patient and a 100 kg patient cannot be assessed the same way. Weight matters, and hence it is measured in ml per kg per hour. This also helps to assess kidney perfusion, fluid balance, and circulatory status. Why is calculating urine output is important? It is an indicator of kidney function. It detects early shock. It identifies dehydration. It monitors fluid therapy effectiveness. It is essential in ICU and postoperative care. Early sign of acute kidney injury is also easily identified. Here we enter the main picture, how we calculate urine output. Here comes the formula, and trust me guys, it's really easy formula. The formula for urine output calculation is urine output in ml per kg per hour is equal to total urine in ml divided by weight in kilogram multiplied by time in hour. Here comes the normal urine output depending upon the age group, and they are exam favorites. Normal urine output for adults is greater than or equal to zero point 0.5 ml per kg per hour. In case of children, it is greater than or equal to 1 ml per kg per hour. And in case of infants, normal urine output is greater than or equal to 2 ml per kg per hour. The smaller the patient, the higher the expected urine output is. Let's do a few examples. A 70 kilogram adult patient passes 420 ml urine in 6 hours. Calculate the urine output in ml per kg per hour. So as we know, the formula is urine output in ml per kg per hour is equal to total urine in ml divided by weight multiplied by time in hours. Here, the total urine is 420 ml, weight is 70 kilogram, and time is 6 hours. So applying all into the formula, we get 420 divided by 420, which gives 1. So the urine output will be 1 ml per kg per hour, which is normal for an adult. Next example, a 80 kilogram adult patient passes 160 ml urine in 8 hours. Calculate the urine output in ml per kg per hour. As we know, the formula is urine output in ml per kg per hour is equal to total urine in ml divided by weight in kilogram multiplied by time in hours. Here the total urine output is 160 ml, weight is 80 kilogram, and time is 8 hours. So applying all in the formula, we get 160 divided by 640, which gives 0.25. So the total urine output will be 0.25 ml per kg per hour, which indicates oliguria. Now let's discuss some of the causes for oliguria, that is low urine output. If urine output drops below 0.5 ml per kg per hour in adults, it is called oliguria. This can happen in dehydration, shock, blood loss, kidney injury, severe infection, and this is often an early warning sign as well. Let's move to another example. A 65 kilogram adult patient passes 1200 ml in 6 hours. Calculate the urine output in ml per kg per hour. As we know, the formula is urine output in ml per kg per hour is equal to total urine in ml divided by weight in kilogram multiplied by time in hours. So here the total urine is 1200 ml, weight is 65 kilogram, time is 6 hours. So applying all into the formula, we get 1200 divided by 390, which gives 3.07. And the urine output will be 3.07 ml per kg per hour, which indicates polyuria. If urine output is more than 2 to 3 ml per kg per hour, it is called polyuria. Common causes of polyuria includes diabetes, excessive IV fluids, diuretics, recovery phase of kidney injury. So both low and high urine output are very important. Here are a few examples for your practice. A 80-kilogram patient passes 920 ml urine in 8 hours. Calculate the urine output in ml per kg per hour. And the next one is a 52-kilogram patient passes 380 ml in 12 hours. Calculate the urine output in ml per kg per hour. You can practice these questions and mention the answers in the comment box. So here we go with urine output calculation in ml per kg per hour. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.